Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Once again, I'm here with a tutorial as I promised. This tutorial is to teach you how to export project files on CUBASE for external jobs or for mixing and mastering as you may have it. So without wasting time, this is a project. Let me just play this part of the project. It is a what I see. Tell me. All right, so let's assume I'm done with the project. It is simple. There are two ways to do this. If the person you want to send the data file to is not on Cubase, if he's using a different DAW, then you'll have to bounce them as all wave files. So you come over to file, go over to export, then to audio mix down, and you come over to this section called multiple so that you can export all at the same time. Then you come over here, select your desired tracks, or these are your effect channels. You can select all the effect channels if you want to export them differently, depending on the recommendation from the producer. You can also mark your different VST instruments. Take to the session where you have your VST instrument channel, and also your audio channels are also there. When you are done selecting, come over here to create a folder where you love all the stuffs to be, the data files to be installed or to go into. So after selecting the folder, you can just give it a general name like data. I can say data. Then make sure this is on wave and this is on 16-bit also. Then you are done. You click export and it will export everything at the same time. But the quickest and the most efficient and the most easy way, it is when you are sending to a fellow producer that is working with Cubase DAW. With that being said, you just come over here to file, go over to backup projects. Backup project, click it. Then look for a folder anywhere in your system. Just create one. If you don't have, go right click over to new and folder. Then just write the person's name or the name of the song. So I will put data files. Select the folder, and here you write the name of the song also. Let's say data files. And also you minimize audio files, remove unused audio files, and then backup video. Then click OK and just watch. It's going to back up the entire project into a folder. With this, you will not have anything like mixing audio. Have you sent a Cubase job to someone before, and when the person opened the job, it was you're missing audios? That's because you didn't do it properly. If you go with this method, boom, everything, all audios will be intact. So let's check it. Go over to where we saved it. You can got it here, data files. As you can see, it has minimized the MB. You can see just 116 MB because it has removed all the unused files while I was deleting in the process of recording. So if we come over here, you are going to see all the audio files that was used for this production. You can see. So there is no way you can have mixing file, including the instrumental, the beats, or the loops, and all those other stuffs that were there. So all you need to do at this point is just to right click, then you go over to send to and compress zip folder so that you can be able to attach it with your mail. You can attach it on WhatsApp, you can attach it from any medium of sending files from one place to another. There are other ways you can also export a data file on Cubase, I beg your pardon. But this is the most efficient way, where you have everything arranged the way it was done, the way the project was produced or sequenced. So here's how to export a data file on Cubase. I'll encourage that you click the like button and also click the notification bell so that you get to notify when a useful video that has to do with your craft is released. Like this video and put your comment under the comment section so that this video can be recommended to other people. God bless you. I will see you around. Bye for now.